If you own a 6th-gen Camaro, you know the interior plastics can sometimes feel a little lacking. But this tiny upgrade, the 1LE Suede shift knob and boot, completely transforms the most important touchpoint in your cockpit. We're talking about the console, specifically the part you interact with every single time you drive. This isn't just some cheap aftermarket cover. This is the genuine aesthetic upgrade, part number 24,287,140, designed specifically for the 2016 through 2020 models. The moment you pull this out of the box, the difference is palpable. It's finished in deep black suede, and that material choice is everything. Forget that cold, hard plastic or slippery leather on a hot day. Suede offers incredible grip, which is crucial whether you're daily driving or hitting the track. It just feels premium, instantly elevating the entire console area to that true performance level the Camaro deserves. Installation is straightforward, as you'd expect from a component built to meet strict industry standards for quality control. It snaps right into the factory location, giving you that perfect, tight fitment. The stitching is clean, the boot drapes perfectly, and the knob itself has that satisfying weight and ergonomic shape. This isn't just about looks, it's about driver confidence. When you grab that knob for a quick downshift, you want zero slip, and the Suede delivers that tactile assurance. It's a subtle modification, but one that makes a massive difference in the overall driving experience. If you've been looking for a simple, high-impact interior mod for your Camaro, this 1LE Suede setup is an absolute must-have. It's the perfect blend of OEM quality and race-inspired feel.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.